Alright, we got a job here. Maybe a data recovery job. We're not really sure yet. We'll find out. So this is the drive that came in. And they didn't bring the USB cable, so we got our own cable. So we'll have a look what happens when we plug it into this computer. We suspect some sort of physical damage. From what the client said, they dropped it. So if it turns out to be a mechanical issue, we're not going to fiddle around. We're just going to refer them to a data recovery specialist. We can do a head replacement or anything like that. So we got here a USB 3.1 micro USB cable, and let's have a look what happens. So light comes on. Now, from experience, any component plugged into a computer, it should refresh the device manager in Windows, and we don't get any of that. We got here a typical adapter which is found in most hard drives, external drives. So for example, there's no hard drive connected here, and if we plug this guy in without any hard drive, we should see the device manager refresh, and we should see USB mass storage device there, as we can see there, and maybe an adapter for the hard drive, but no hard drive actually detected on this end. This is out of a Toshiba external hard drive enclosure. That's why it says Toshiba. So if you pull one out from a Seagate or something. Anyway, so I'm not really sure what's going on. I don't hear any clicking sounds. I do hear a spin sound. When I say click, I mean like loud clicking, which is a good sign. But if it had a physical drop and it's not working, that's a serious problem. Yeah, buddy. You take off your shoes? That's okay. We'll go and wash it, okay? Alright. Don't take off your hat. Papa get angry. I love their laughter. Yeah, so this is called shucking. So if you're shucking for mussels, oyster actually, yeah. I'd love to do oyster shucking. Yeah, I like to eat them. I like to go northern of New South Wales, the coast of our beautiful wharfs. Yo! Okay, let's see what's going on here. The first thing ideally we want to try is isolate this controller. We don't really need it. Okay, maybe hopefully it's just the controller. Latte. Hey, latte. Alright. Okay, we're in the device manager again. and let's see what happens. Cross fingers. That's a good sign. We can see the storage device. We can see the blinking. Come on, let's have a look at the device disk manager. Hey, look at that. You can see the hard drive. I'll just blur the screen, see if their files are showing. Privacy is very important, so sorry. Explore. Hallelujah. Yep, we can see all their files. And I'll show you this window. God, what is that image? Okay, there we go. Happy days for this client. Now, because this drive had a physical shot, I'm not going to risk giving them back this drive as is. Probably prefer to clone it into another drive, give them a new working drive, and we'll leave it at that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.